Come on up here. Cut it in the bottom. Cut it at the bottom. The reason we cut it at the bottom is when you step on it. I've always enjoyed it. We've been very blessed. We've had good kids. They came out, they show interest, and we've got some good employees that also willing to take the time and help share. And if you can give somebody a little knowledge and a little guidance, you can send them down a road maybe that'll help them and benefit them in their life.
I like how they set it up for us. They make it simple for us to understand, you know. I feel like you could really come in here honestly knowing not much and learn a lot just in this short time, you know, with it laid out the way it is.
And the thing about this is once you learn the basic skills, you can go anywhere in the country. You can go anywhere in the state. I had a VICA teacher. I started in VICA back in the 70s. I hate to tell anybody that. And I run into him back in the late 90s, early 2000s. And he said, what are you the most proud of, you know, of all your successes in life? I said, it's easy. I'm the most proud of turning young boys into men. And I've taught many guys how to take care of their families, provide for their families. Then I see kids and grandkids applying now, and I mean, it's great. I mean, it's been an industry where we suffer with people. So anytime you can get an opportunity to bring in some new people and open the doors up and maybe, you know, put somebody on a life path.
I really like working with my hands, you know. What I like about it most is probably they teach you how to work and have a good work ethic, you know. I think that's really important, and I feel like we definitely need that more nowadays. And I really like the ACE Center program because it promotes good work ethic and how to work in the real world, you know.